Welcome back to my channel. My name's APOC and you're at FPV Forever. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video. It is going to be a new video for me. It's not really a review or anything. I don't really do that. I mean, I would, but I don't really make the time to do that. But today I'm going to test out the new Sharkbyte system. Built a quad a couple days ago. It's been raining for, it seems like forever, so I haven't had a chance to fly it. I booted it up on the bench. It looks good on the bench. The image is beautiful in the HDOs. A little worried about like the distance and penetration, but that seems to be the normal worry. I don't know. We'll see. I have tried the DJI FPV drone. My buddy at work has it. I haven't flown it, but I have got to look through his goggles, and it is beautiful. But however, I loathe the DJI, and so I just won't give them my money. They got a great product. I'm not going to knock it, but I just don't care for them. It's like iPhone. It's a great phone, but they'll just never get my money. That's the way it is. Don't expect too much from the video. It's pretty much a brand new build. I just put Sharkbyte in it. Excuse me. I haven't tuned it or anything. It's new beta flight. I've got RPM filtering on. I don't even have my rates in there. So we're going to see how it goes. And if it's a little jello, I'll worry about tuning that out later. A little nano cam. I don't particularly like cams that small. Other than that, it seems fine. The board size is atrocious. I guess if you're flying whoops, it's great, but for anything that's not a whoop, it's kind of aggravating. I actually printed a TPU mount for the system. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's kind of protected in there a little bit. Anyway, I do got a little space. You can't really see it, but there is some space above the board in there. I don't know if it'll be enough, but hopefully I'll keep it in the air and I'll keep it cool, but we'll find out how that goes. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to charge some packs. The sun is shining, so it'll be a nice day to get some video, and I will give you my impressions of what it looks like. I'm not going to rip hard. Like I said, it's a brand new build. So I'm a little sketch. I never rip a new build hard until I've flown it a day or two. But we'll see. I'll take some pictures of some scraggle, and we'll see how that goes, and let you know. Alright, so see you in the flip side, guys. Okay, we're good to go. Alright, got everything hooked up. Everything is pretty much default, 200 milliwatts. Let us give this thing a try and see what it looks like. I'm not very good at talking and flying, so we'll see how this goes. So far, this is pretty nice, guys. I will say, the trees look good. The breakup on 200 milliwatts. Ooh, bird. I could never have chased this bird on analog. I would have lost him. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. All the animal people are mad at me right now, but that's alright. They chase my drones all the time. But pretty impressed, guys. Like I said, way too wet to cut grass. Alright, let's see how it does around my house. Typical breakup. I wonder if Wi-Fi is one of the reasons it breaks up so bad when you go around the house or whatever. But as of right now, it's pretty nice, I will say. Definitely need a good tune. A little prop wash. Probably something I can work out there. Alright, this is a high def footage video, so let me slow down here a little bit and let's take a look at these trees. We'll see what we got here. That's pretty good, guys. It's pretty good. That water and breakup was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Another bird. I lost him. Where'd he go? Alright. Sharkbyte is nice, guys. It's my first flight with it. It's not tuned. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm not trying to rip. That is pretty nice. I did not see that scraggle to the last minute. And I am out of the patches right now, y'all. Just so you know. Because I am facing... I'm looking directly at myself in the back right now. So flying over here, I'm outside the patches. Yeah. I think it's worth it, guys. No real bounce back if I don't let go of the stick. I do need to put my ladder gate back up. That would be nice. First impressions, it's a winner. On 200 milliwatt, I might get a little bit more range. Over here, maybe a little less breakup, but that's not bad, guys. That's not bad at all. I'm not going to play too much near this water. My son's very first 5-inch racing drone build, he was on FR Sky and didn't realize fail-safes. He was brand new, he was young, he was only like 13, and fail-safed right into that lake. We spent a while trying to find it, never did, so it's still sitting in the bottom of that lake somewhere. Oh, 3-4. I better land this checker. All right. Successful first test. Oh, not landing there. Well, guys, that's pack one. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I think it's going to be a great system. Once they get better VTXs going, I think we'll be good to go. And fuck DJI. Anyway, so catch you on the flip side. I'm going to burn a couple more packs. I'll throw together a little flight footage, put it in the video, and have a good day, y'all. And I'm going to go pull a bot grinder.